I am going to create this documentary motion graphics in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select mobile video. First, change the background color. Check the description for the color code. Now upload all the iconic places or infrastructure of all the places. Drag the image to the timeline. Go to Elements. Add a shape. Change the color to black. Add a text box. Write the city name. Change the font to Montserrat. Change the letter to uppercase. Go to Animate. Select the Rise animation with maximum speed. Select Pulse Add-on Effect. Intensity will be 0. Select the shape. Go to Animate and apply the Pulse Add-on Effect with 0 intensity. Now select the text and apply the Bounce animation. Duplicate the page. Import the second iconic place. Remove the background. Go to Animate. Select the Rise animation with maximum speed. Select Pulse Add-on Effect will 0 intensity. Change the position to backward. Delete the previous image. Rename the place name. Select the text color as the background color. Resize the shape to adjust to the text. Change the shape color to light gold. Duplicate the page and do the same thing. Click here and add a flow animation with max duration. Again, add the flow transition here with maximum duration and select the right duration. Page timing will be 2 seconds and apply to all pages. Here is the final result. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.